Indonesia's local life and beauty. The nature, culture, religion. Isn't it something we all want to see one day? Well, at least we did. In July and August, we visited various islands of Indonesia, including Bali. It's kind of a popular island and known for a lot of beautiful and cultural things, and we love to share our must. So, we first of all discovered an amazing area around Sidemen. This is a small village that's kind of close to Ubud and Blue Lagoon beach, where we did some snorkeling. I will show you, by the way, because it was really, really amazing how many fish just got around us. The area is full of local life and just the ambience was really, really nice. Look at where we're at. In the middle of amazing rice fields. It is just stunning. I mean, over there in the back, there is more. But when I say more, I don't mean just a little bit more. It is just going all the way to the back, like it's fantastic. It is like the best route to drive, as in, yeah, we're mind blown. Are you mind blown?
Yeah, I'm so mind blown.
He's flying the drone.
Yeah,
we're gonna show you right now what it looks like.
Yeah, let's go.
The rice fields, banana trees and mountain vibes. Especially with the scooter, it is amazing to drive around here. And we just enjoyed it a lot. Maybe it's even my favorite hidden gem or unexpected part of Bali. Some people don't get to see the real local rice fields as they visit more touristy places like the Tagalalang rice fields. They are kind of close to Ubud. It's understandable because it looks really nice with all the layers, like you can see. You can also walk in between. I guess that we were just more surprised by the local vibe, that nothing else felt better than that. People smiling at you, waving at you.
Even at the place we had lunch, it was not so much of a local place, as it was relatively expensive. However, the location was absolutely amazing.
Dus is ook wel vet.
Ja, deze kant?
Ja. Of wil je meer in de diepte kunnen zien?
Deze even weer. Ik laat zien. Heel tof.
Another thing that you cannot miss when visiting Bali is religion. To get an impression, we visited the Tirta Empel temple, also very known and a big one. But we never thought we would see what we eventually did. At this temple, there's holy water. Balinese people go here about once a year and they take a bath in the water to receive positive vibes. Today it was very crowded, maybe also because of the music that you can hear in the background. Apparently there was a ceremony going on. One that doesn't happen that often. Wow, it was so special to witness. Wow. We don't know all the specifics about this ceremony. What we heard is that there are different phases. There are parts of praying and receiving blessings. We had never seen a ceremony like this before and felt grateful to watch it. very unfortunate. We did a nice walk on the north side of Ubud, but lost our footage. I'll show you where to find it, so you can enjoy it yourself. And the part that I will highlight, we like the most. So don't stop walking after the pathway.